Psoriasis on the scalp. How can I get rid of it? Psoriasis, I just mentioned the skin issues. It's a lymphatic and kidney issue. So the body can't get rid of waste. That's what's happening. So the body, when it can't get rid of waste, toxins, dead cells, anything, it traps them, so to speak. And it tries to expel them through the skin. Skin eruptions occur, and this is what happens. So if you want to fix it, you got to fix your kidneys. It's a kidney filtration issue. If you get the kidneys to filter out the waste and move your lymph system with a 100% fruit diet, you see the eruptions will go away because it has no reason to be there anymore. The only reason why you have skin issues is because your kidneys are not filtering out metabolic waste. Simple as that. It's a bit like blocking up all the channels of elimination. What's going to happen if you in your house and your sewer system is clogged up and you keep on flushing the toilet or you keep on running the tap and all the water outlets are clogged? What is going to back up? It's going to stuff fall on the floor and it's going to smell and it's going to rot. The exact same thing happens in your body. It's very similar in terms of vision-wise. Okay, so your kidneys are not filtering out. Your kidneys are the sewer plant of the body, and so it's backing up. All the waste is backing up, like a sewer plant is backing up. It's affecting every house, every cell, every tissue, every organ and gland. And this is what causes your health issues. Mucus and acids. That's what it is. Because mucus is produced when there's acids around the tissue or cell, and the body can't get rid of it. Mucus is produced to buffer or protect you. So almost every issue is a lymphatic / mucus, stagnant mucus issue. You get rid of open up the kidneys, move the lymph system, you see it, all this can go away. You can fix it.